All right, let's just take a quick break here because we're about to hear and see the closing bell on this Tuesday, June 30th, 2009. Here you see the pitch there. They're about to start trading down the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. They do that for about the next 15 minutes, getting into action as we close up here in New York. Let's take a look at the action as today's market settles. The S&P 500 closing down just about 0.8% at 919.5. The Dow down about 80 points today at 84.48, and the Nasdaq down about 0.5% at 1835. So the market's down across the board, and all 10 S&P 500 industry groups ended the session lower today, led by telecommunication services and, I'm going to say, utilities. No, industrials here.
Go to the bonus round.
All right. In any case, it was a bad day for the markets, but obviously it was a fantastic quarter.
Well, you set me up perfectly. Stocks did close lower today, but the quarter, in fact, the best we've seen in years, and more than a decade, in fact, for people who own stocks, and provided you weren't shorting stocks in the quarter. Let's head down to the New York Stock Exchange. Bring back Lydia Thiel with more on the quarter. Is that what we're talking about here?
That's right, Carol. And actually, if you were short with leverage with some of those bearish ETFs that have come out in the last 6 to 9 months, you lost actually a fair amount, as much as 70% for some of those like triple levered bearish ETFs. So definitely playing with fire when it comes to leverage, of course, and being short this market would have been a mistake. We close above here. We're about 919 on the S&P 500. So if we settle out in this range, this would be the best quarter we've seen in the S&P since the fourth quarter of 1998. You've got the S&P 500 up around 15%, the Dow up around 11% for the quarter. And when it comes to what performed the best, you saw the small caps really outperforming the large caps. So the S&P small cap index. Sorry, I hear you've got breaking news. I'm going to send it back to you guys.
Yeah, we do have breaking news here. Apparently, Al Franken will officially be a U.S. Senator.
Right, Mr. Coleman conceding his Senate seat to Al Franken. This has been going on for months. You're shaking your head. Joe Saluzzi is shaking your head. What's up?
I mean, what else? What's next? Bozo's going to be a congressman? I mean, come on.
That's hard.
No, I mean, I don't care. I'm not a politician. I could care less.